Hello once again there, my little photo editors. Today, in the second to last assignment that we're going to look at, or tutorial I should say, we're going to look at the clone tool in GIMP. It's a fairly useful tool. It allows us to copy a portion or all of an image and manipulate it if we want to incorporate it into another part of an image. So to begin, this is the first time that I'm asking you to have two images open at once. You'll want to go ahead and open the walk image from the O drive. If you'll notice, it's a picture of me walking along a wall here with my super awesome cowboy boots on. And the second image you can open up is called wall. And it's just a picture of a brick wall with a sidewalk here and a little bit of the road. So you'll need to have both images open. I would recommend, so that you can see how the clone tool works, that you have both open side by side like I have them set up. And to begin, we're actually going to use a tool that we used in a previous assignment. So to start off, we're going to use this select tool. So I'm going to make sure I have it selected. I've got my scissors. And to begin, we're going to go around and we're going to try to place this around me as best as we can. You'll have a little bit more time than the 5-minute videos I have to create, so mine's going to be a little bit quicker than yours. Take your time. Ensure your accuracy. Of course, you don't want to miss my boots. It's almost the most important feature, some might say. So we're using our select tool, and we're putting dots everywhere that the lines change drastically. The more dots we put, the more accurate it's going to be. Around my hand here, up around my belly, and my head got a little cut off, but that's alright because I don't like to be in pictures anyway. I'll connect my last dot, I'll select inside the picture to make me active, and again, it almost seems every time we use this tool, it's not actually the image in the front that we want, but the background. So I'm going to go to select, invert. So now I have my background because I'm going to try to convert this mural here to this background that's over here using the clone tool. So now that I have my background highlighted and selected, I'm going to go ahead and select my clone tool. Now the clone tool is really cool. The one thing that we need to know about it, first of all, I'm not sure if you can see it, but my brush size is pretty small. Here we can see it contrasted against the brick. So I can go ahead and I can actually increase my brush size. We're going to want it to be about as big as we can get it. The second thing you'll notice is right now there's a little stop sign or do not proceed sign on my cursor, if you can see that there, almost like the no smoking signs. This means right now our clone tool isn't going to work. In order for our clone tool to work, we're going to need to define or pick what we want to clone or what we want to copy. And we want to click this wall. So we can click this image. Once it's open, we're going to try to start nearest the center as we can, and we're going to press Control and hold it down. You'll notice how my cursor changes when I press Control. And now it'll allow me to choose what it is that I want to copy. So I'll press Control and then click it. I'll move over to my other image, and we'll see what happens when I start to move it around. You should see on the left that the cursor follows or copies whatever I'm doing. And almost like magic, this image starts to fill in for our background. Now you'll notice, because I'm not selected, I actually stay in this image. And it's only the background, everything that we had selected, that's getting changed. So once you have your image saved, the last part would be to go in. I can select View None. So here's a good copy of mine. Again, you can make yours a little bit better with more time. And the final process, again, we're going to use a tool that we already used, is we're going to crop this image. If you'll notice a little bit on the right side here, the image didn't work out perfectly. So we can go in, remember our tools for cropping. Crop tool, it looks like a little scalpel. We're going to select the image that we want. So I'm going to start in the corner here where it works all the way up. And I'm going to hit enter, and it crops my image. I've successfully put myself on a different sidewalk, and you can go ahead and save this image as walk and wall.